Hey there, business owners and nonprofit leaders. Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Awareness Month educational series. I'm Randall Martinez, Vice President of Technical Services at IT Pros Management Group. And today we're going to be talking about a critical piece of your cybersecurity program, multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Passwords alone are no longer enough to keep your account secure. In fact, did you know that 81% of data breaches are due to weak or stolen passwords? But don't worry, there's a simple solution: multi-factor authentication. And get this, implementing MFA can block over 99.9% of account compromises. It's a powerful tool that adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. In the military, we use layers of protection to safeguard our troops and assets. The same principle applies to cybersecurity. Just like in the military, your accounts need multiple layers of protection. Here's how multi-factor authentication works. First, you enter your password. Then you'll be asked to provide a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone or a fingerprint scan. This extra step makes it harder for attackers to access your accounts. No matter the size or industry of your business, implementing multi-factor authentication can make a big difference. And guess what? We're offering a complimentary cybersecurity strategy session to help you get started. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link below to schedule a session with me. Let's make your business multi-factor secure. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our Cybersecurity Awareness Month. And remember, with IT Pros Management, you can relax. IT is covered.